Hello, I just wanted to talk about something that I find really useful. I want to make two files in here. So I'm going to make one file called helpers.py and I'll make another file that I'll call types.py. And so these two files here, helpers and types, are basically going to contain all the functional helpers code. And I'll get to what I mean by that in a little bit, and the types are going to contain the types. When you're doing functional programming, or when you want to basically use functions as a primitive, when you want to be passing functions around, and you're using some kind of a type checker like MyPy or Pywrite, in Python, you're going to end up having to write this expression quite a lot. So what I always like to do is, the first thing I like to define this type alias. So I'm just going to put that inside my types file here. And what's this type alias doing? I'm passing two arguments, t and u, and so in this t it's a variable argument, so it can be multiple arguments, and I'm passing that inside or into the callable type and parameterizing it like this. So basically what this allows me to do is using this function type alias as an alias for callable, but basically removing the nesting here. The reason that this is really useful is that it allows you to get rid of having to write this annoying expression every single time. So when I'm just going to copy this over to my helpers, because this is a functional helper that I'm working on, so I just wanted to create a basic wrapper for some kind of data, and if it goes wrong I want to store that in error, right? So I'm defining my bind method here that I can that I can pass a function to. This is going to be a helper that has nothing to do with the application code or data whatsoever, that I want to be a reusable component. That's why I store it in the helpers file. So maybe I'll import function, and now you can see that we're able to refactor this quite smoothly. So for me this is like a true life hack. It's really something that makes type hinting so much more pleasant. It's just this very simple type alias that we defined here, just basically getting rid of the nesting in callable. And so yeah, that's it. Just a little helper that I hope is useful for you.